Good morning. Welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. Today, it's a beautiful sunny day, a little bit on the humid side, but for the most part, it's a great day. So today we're looking at pouring the floor for our chicken coop, and we're really excited about that because then that means we can have chickens. Anyhow, hope you like this video and keep on subscribing and liking and watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.
So while we're pouring the chicken pen floor today, we're also going to be pouring the piers for the windmill as well. And we're also going to be pouring the piers for our front porch for the house. So we have been very busy. I know we haven't put out a video in a little while, but we've been very busy getting everything prepped for this point. So once our piers go in, then we'll be able to do our framing for the front porch and all that. So we're expecting our concrete a little later on this morning. So until that happens, we're just sitting and playing the waiting game. So bye for now.
Bye.
So we finally got our pad for the chicken pen poured. So it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just a screed, or screed finish. Doesn't need any more. It'll just make it a lot nicer for cleaning out. I'll be able to get in and out with the tractor to clean it. Also got all of my piers poured for the windmill, so now I can start to go ahead with that. So that's another step closer to getting that up and completed. Got my there's my center one there, and then the 3 for my guide wires, and then I also got my 6 piers for my front porch of the house poured as well. So all in all, I think it was a good day. If you like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and tune into more videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.